We've got so many deals this week, they will not fit in one video. So we're going to be doing a part 1 of Dollar General 5 off 25 deals this week, and part 2 so that you guys can choose exactly what you want and the products that you need for super cheap.
Shut up and sit down.
Before we get started, if you're new to couponing at Dollar General, check out our Basics of Couponing at Dollar General guide, which will be down in the description box below. That will tell you everything you need to know. It's important that you do your transactions in the appropriate order or they will not turn out correctly. The goal of our first transaction will be to earn some instant savings for purchasing Clorox wipes, but also to earn this $3 back on our next purchase for spending $10 after coupons on Clorox products. So we're going to start by purchasing 4 Clorox Scentiva wipes for $2.65 each. That's going to bring us to $10.60, and we'll use 2 of the $1 off of 2 paper coupons from the 3-1 Smart Source. We're going to save $2 instantly because we're spending $10 on those Clorox Scentiva wipes. Next, we're going to do the same thing with the Clorox disinfecting wipes. These are in the yellow bottle. Pick up 4 of those for $10.60, and we're going to use 2 of the $1 off of 2 Clorox wipes paper coupon from the 3-1 Smart Source. And we're also going to receive $2 off of 10 instant savings on this. Next, purchase 2 of the Clorox toilet bowl cleaners with bleach. They will come to $4. They're $2 a piece. Use the $1 off of 2 paper coupon from the 3-1 Smart Source. Last but not least, pick up 2 of the Clorox cleaners. You're going to want to pick up the tile and mildew cleaners. They're $2.25 a piece, and you can use another one of those bathroom cleaner paper coupons from the 3-1 Smart Source. It should be $1 off of 2. So you're definitely going to need your paper coupons for this transaction. Remember, you want your total to hit at least $29 because we're getting $4 off with our instant savings. So we want to make sure we're still at $25 and instant savings comes off the top. So when you ring up all those items at the register, that $4 is going to come off instantly, taking your total down to $25. But you want it there so you can still use your 5 off of 25 digital coupon. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 digital coupon clipped, and this is what you're going to get. This is what you're looking at for your first transaction: 4 of the Clorox Scentiva wipes, 4 of the Clorox disinfecting wipes, 2 of the Clorox toilet bowl cleaners with bleach, and 2 of the Clorox cleaners for bathrooms, tile and mildew, that sort of thing. And your subtotal is going to come to $29.70. And after all of your coupons and your instant savings come off, plus your 5 off of 25, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $14.70 or $1.23 per item. Now that's already a good price for cleaning products, since it's really hard to get cleaning products at a decent, cheap price. The coupons tend to be lower value and you have to buy multiples of the same item in order for them to work. So $1.23 each is already pretty good. But then we're going to receive $3 back for our next purchase. It's going to print on the bottom of your receipt, and that's going to actually take our net cost down to about $12.85 or 98 cents a piece on these, since we have that extra $3 that we can spend now. Now keep in mind, you cannot use your $3 coupon in addition to another 5 off of 25 deal. That's going to have to be a separate deal that you do. But you can look out for our video. If I do this deal on Saturday, I'll make sure that I show you how I use my $3 off coupon to get the most for my money. Dollar General is busy getting out all of their cute Easter items. They've got some really cute stuff, you guys. So take some time and make a trip in store and just check out all the stuff that they have to offer. I believe that Valentine's stuff is still 90% off until today. Actually, I think it pennies out today. If this next deal is going to be a pet deal, and I'm super excited. If you have dogs and cats, this is the deal for you. Start by picking up 2 bags of the Friskies dry cat food. They're $4.50 a piece for $9 total.
you're going to use the buy one get one free digital coupon, making one of those absolutely free. Next, pick up 2 of the Purina Alpo dog food. Make sure it's the Purina Alpo. They're $3.95 a piece for a total of $7.90. You're going to want to use the buy one get one free digital coupon on that as well. Next, pick up 2 of the Purina dog treats. They're $2 a piece, so $4. You're going to use the $2 off of 2 digital coupon, so basically making it half off. Next, you're going to pick up 2 of the Sheba Perfect Portions. They're 89 cents a piece, but again, we have a buy one get one free digital coupon on those, so one of those 89 cents is going to come off completely. Pick up 3 cans of the Friskies wet food. These are $1 a piece. These are the big cans, and I found them in the dollar aisle. You want to pick up 3 of those because you have a buy 2 get 1 free digital coupon. So you'll get that 3rd one for free on this one. And last but not least, you want to pick up 4 of the Friskies little soups. They're the little wet food that comes in the little package in the dollar aisle next to the other Friskies wet food. Pick up 4 of those and add those to your transaction because you've got a $1 off when you buy 4 digital coupon to use on those as well. So there's everything that you're going to buy. That is so much pet food to stock up on. Now you can do this deal for a little bit cheaper out of pocket because we are taking the total up to $29 and some change, but you definitely are getting a better deal per item if you do it this way. Your subtotal is going to come to $29.68. And after all of your coupons and your 5 off of 25, and remember, this is an all digital deal, guys. Anybody can do this. All you need is a Dollar General account. Your out-of-pocket cost before tax is going to be $11.34 or 75 cents each. And I don't know when the last time you paid 75 cents for a big bag of cat food, let alone 4 big bags of dry food plus all of this wet food is, but it's been a while for me. This next deal is going to be mostly a cleaning and laundry product transaction, so I know you guys are going to be really excited about this. The first item that we have are going to be 2 of either the Snuggle or the All laundry products. Now there's a list of everything that you can get. Pick up 2 for $8 and use the $4 off digital coupon to purchase those. Next, pick up 1 of the Scrubbing Bubbles spray cleaners for $3.50. Now there is a coupon, paper coupon in the insert, but honestly, if you have access to coupons.com, I would print out the $1 off of 1. Next, pick up 1 of the Glade plug-in warmers. It's the pack that just has the warmer. It works on the 1 or the 2 count. Now, so this is going to be the 2 count pack for $3.25. It'll take $2 off instead of it being completely free. And this is the paper coupon from the 3-1 Smart Source. Next, pick up a package of the Centrum vitamins, the tablets, not the gummies. You want the package for $5 and you're going to use the $4 off paper coupon from the 3-1 Retail Me Not. Next, you're going to pick up a pack of the Tide Pods for $4.95. You're going to use the $2 off of 1 digital coupon on those, and that almost completes your transaction. Last but not least, we're going to pick up a package of the DG trash bags. These are the Dollar General brand. You want to pick up the $7 pack, which is the bigger one, and use the $1 off of 1 digital coupon on these. And after everything, your subtotal is going to come to $26.70. And after all your coupons come off and your 5 off of 25, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $7.70 or $1.10 per item. And for a big thing of trash bags, as well as some laundry products and scrubbing bubbles, that is fantastic, guys.
Also, don't forget that our printable list of all of these deals will be in the description box below. We'll have a printable list for today's video and a separate one for our next video that we'll be putting out later this week.
Thanks so much for checking out this video, guys, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them. Our poll question for this video is, what drew you to couponing in the first place? Let us know in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell to be notified when more 5 off of 25 videos come out. Like it if you liked it, and remember to save money, make money, and dream big.
Shut up and sit down.